is Kajiado Central. Present and ready for your inspection, sir.
We have the land issue, many of issues around land fraud in this county, especially Kitengela, Isinya, Kiserian, Rongai area, but also in other parts of the county. And we are going to crack down on land fraud. And any person who is involved, whether he's a member of the public in the private space or a public officer in the space of government, will punish them very painfully and very severely, because they are undermining the economy of this county and this country. They are frustrating people who are genuine landowners by, in some cases, issuing fraudulent title deeds. Then we also have the problem of people who have encroached the property of other people, private people, and also others who have encroached public land. We are going to flush out all of them. And we will not shy away evicting anybody. And we will not listen to all manner of stories about how long somebody has lived somewhere. How does living somewhere which does not belong to you entitle you to harass property owners? And there are other people pretending they own property here, but the titles they have are fraudulent titles, irregular titles. We also crack down on them.